In this video, I will be showing you how to delete page in Canva. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva home screen and scrolling down through the various template categories to find a design. I'll pick this bold About Me presentation and click on it to see the preview. Then, I'll select Customize this template to open it up in the editor. Once the project loads, I'll scroll through the different slides to review the content. I'm moving past the introduction, the portfolio highlights, and the metrics slides all the way to the end of the presentation. Now, to delete a page, I simply head to the top right corner of the slide and click the trash can icon. I'll do this for the thank you page, the Let's Connect slide, and several others in a row. Each time I click the delete icon, the page is instantly removed, allowing me to quickly trim down the presentation to exactly what I need. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily delete pages in Canva.